Hey everyone, welcome to this architectural tutorial where we are going to go ahead and design a bathroom vanity. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start with the rectangle tool, REC, enter. We're going to draw out a rectangle and the dimensions for the width are going to be 21 inches, then press tab, and then the height is going to be 19 inches and press enter. Once you've done that, you'll have the outline of your vanity. Then we're going to go ahead and add in the interior. That is going to be done with an additional rectangle. So we're going to draw in another rectangle. This time the width is going to be 19 inches, tab, and the height is going to be a total of 15 inches, enter. So you'll be left with something like that. Once you've done so, we need to kind of move this into place. So we're going to use the move tool, move, enter. Select this, enter, and then click at the midpoint, and we're going to move it to the midpoint of the larger object. And then we're going to press enter to activate the move tool again. Click on that, press enter, and then we're going to click here, and we're going to move it up a total of 1 inch. So I'm just going to type 1, enter, and it should look something like that. Afterwards, we're going to go ahead and create the drain. We'll do that with a circle, enter, and starting at the top, where you see the triangle, we'll go directly to the center and we will draw out a circle of roughly 1 inch radius, so 2-inch diameter, and it will look something like that. Then let's go ahead and add in the sink portion. So I'm going to use the line tool to do this, line, and starting from the center, I'm going to go out. I'm going to move in this direction a total of 1 unit. And then I'm going to also move out this direction 1 unit, enter. After you've done that, use the line tool one more time to draw the front of the sink. And this is going to be out roughly 3 inches, so we're going to type in 3, enter. And then moving out in this direction, it's going to be half a unit, so 0.5, enter. And then using the line tool again, we're going to go out the opposite direction, an additional 0.5 units like that. Now we can use the line tool to connect this with this, as well as this end with that end. So it's going to look something like that. And we're also going to use the move tool to select these 2 lines and move them to the back, and then use the move tool again to select these 2 lines, enter, and move them up a total of roughly 1 inch. So they're going to look something like that. And once you have that in place, we can just simply click on these lines and adjust them so that they fit. I'm going to delete the center line as it's no longer needed. And I'm going to use the trim tool, trim, enter, to select these, enter, and delete that middle portion. So it looks like that. Okay, let's add in the handles. So I'm going to use the circle tool, CIR, enter, and I'm going to draw in a circle, and this is up to you exactly where you want to put them, but we typically go with a half inch radius, so I'm going to press enter. And that looks fine, although it's a little far, so I'm going to actually move it a bit closer. And then I'm going to use the mirror tool, enter, to select that, enter, and then draw it into center, click, don't erase the old one. So it looks something like that. And finally, let's go ahead and add the fillet, F-I-L-L for fillet, enter. And then we are going to type R, enter, and then the fillet for this will be 2 inches, so 2, enter. Then we'll just simply click, click, then press enter, and then enter again to activate the fillet tool. That, enter, click, click, enter, click, click, enter. And let's also go ahead and apply that to the interior. So click, 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 enter, click, click, enter, click, click, enter. Okay, and there you go. That is one bathroom vanity sink. So hopefully you found that useful, and I'll see you for the next one. Peace.